Okay, this is my Transalp. I've got a screen that's getting slightly weathered. Not bad, really. It hasn't been used much, to be honest. This is Autosol polishing cream. I'll show you afterwards the difference it can make. The screen is also a little dusty, just so you will be able to see it a lot better. Okay. So what I'm doing is just rubbing gently. I'm just going to do this one patch and pause for a minute. Okay, sorry about any shaky hands here. Basically rub fast and gentle. And a little bit of a damp cloth. You'll feel the screen under your cloth getting smoother. The motions will get smoother. Just get a dry cloth then. Nice clean cloth, buff that up. You can see the difference. There is a light reflection behind me. And basically you can see the difference in what it does. So if you do both sides of the screen, it'll be a lot better. And that's my little tip for today. This is Ross. Bye.